Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to discuss GOSI. We will see the GOSI calculation for Saudi and non-Saudi employees. Our learning points here, we will see what is GOSI and what are the components involved to calculate GOSI with the help of real life example, and I will show you a salary sheet that where you can reflect GOSI amount. So let's start with the beginning, that what is GOSI? The GOSI is a general organization for social insurance. It is a governmental agency who is collecting money from the employers of public and private sectors on behalf of employee. So some percentage is a contribution by employer and some contribution by employee. So why the GOSI is taking this money from the employer? The reason is they are returning this money when an employee is going to retire. After the retirement, the GOSI is paying to the employee for his livings. If there will be a work injury, that time also GOSI helping the employee. And if there is unemployment for the employee, so that time also GOSI is giving him money to live his life. So these are some percentage decided by the GOSI, that how much percentage the GOSI will give to the employee at the time of retirement, at the time of work injury, or if he is unemployed. So let's see the components involved in GOSI calculation. Only the basic salary, monthly salary, suppose 8,000 for an employee, and housing benefits is 8,000, three salaries, the yearly salaries. So which is 2,000. The GOSI applicable earning will be basic salary plus housing. So these two things are involved for the calculation of GOSI. Other allowances like gasoline, transportation, entertainment, food, these allowances are not included to calculate GOSI. Let's see a real life example. If a person is getting 10,000 salary, GOSI contribution for Saudi nationals. Employer annuity pension. The pension means when the employee will retire, so every month an employer of the company is going to contribute 9% against the retirement of employee. 9% contribution from employer, and the same will be 9% from the employee. This is the retirement contribution, 9%, total 18% is the retirement contribution. So after that, from employer side, occupational hazards or work injury contribution will be 2%. Employer unemployment contribution will be 1%, and the same as employee unemployment contribution will be 1%. So in the retirement case and in the unemployment contribution, both are contributing the same percentage, 9%, 1% and 1%. Only the occupational hazards are the excess amount, which is the contribution from employer side, which is 2%. Let's see now, the total employer contribution will be 12%. 10,000 multiplied by 12% will be 1,200. Total employee contribution is 10%, which is 1,000. So the net payment to Saudi employee, how much salary he is getting after deduction of GOSI, will be 10,000 minus 1,000, this 1,000. Only the 10% will be paid by the Saudi employee to the GOSI from his pocket. So the total contribution goes to GOSI will be 2,200. Employee contribution and employer contribution, 1,200 and 1,000. So 2,200 will be the net contribution to the GOSI from this Saudi employee. So the GOSI is getting, if a Saudi employee is getting 10,000 salary, so the GOSI is getting 2,200 out of it. 1,000 from employee and 1,200 from employer. The next, GOSI contribution for non-Saudis. Only the employer is liable to pay this contribution. Employee is not involved in it because this is only for the work injury contribution. So this is 2%. 10,000 from 10,000 by 2% will be 200 from the employer contribution. So the total employer contribution for non-Saudi is 2%, which is 200. Total employee contribution is 0% in this case. The expatriate is not going to pay or make deduction from his salary for the GOSI contribution. So net payment goes to the non-Saudi employee if his salary is basic plus housing is 10,000. So he will get the total amount 10,000. So the total GOSI contribution will be 200, which is 2% of his salary, going to be paid by the employer side. Now let me show you the salary where you can reflect the GOSI amount for Saudi employees. Here we have a sheet. We have two employees here, one Saudi employee and one non-Saudi employee. Both are same designation, same basic salary, same working days, total salary is same, housing allowance getting same, total salary becomes, including the housing allowance, will be same. Now here, for the Saudi employee, there is a deduction 10%. As I told you earlier that the employee has to contribute 10% to the GOSI. So the 10% deduction from the Saudi employee, and Saudi employee is getting the balance payment 3,870 after the deduction of GOSI. And from the non-Saudi, there is no deduction. As you can see here, GOSI, the total 2% contribution will be from the employer side, not from the employee. So this is the complete concept of GOSI calculations and the contribution from employer and employee side. I hope guys you understand this concept. Please subscribe my channel as it keeps motivated me to create more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.